When you're doing research and using a source to answer a specific question, you will often want to skim and scan instead of reading a source completely from start to finish. This strategy requires focus and intention, so you need to know what main ideas or keywords you're looking for before diving into a source. Ask yourself, what information do I hope to find in this source? Skim the source by zooming out for a big picture view. This includes reading headings, identifying different sections, and looking at any graphics or images. If you're not sure if a particular section will be relevant, read the first sentence of the paragraph to pick up on key ideas that will follow. It is important to be thorough in your examination of the source while not spending excessive time on information that isn't relevant to the research at hand. This is a great strategy to use when determining if a source is going to be relevant and informative for your topic. Scanning is a strategy to help you hone in on the parts of a source that will be particularly relevant to your research. Think about what questions you're trying to answer or keywords you need to learn more about. This is what you will be looking for as you scan through the source. The key is to focus on what you need. Using Control F to search and highlight keywords within a source can be a helpful way to identify the relevant sections where you should spend time reading. Skip over the parts of the article that aren't particularly helpful in answering your question, and instead focus your attention on the areas that include keywords or phrases that are relevant to the information you need. It's always helpful to make note of where you find key ideas so you can paraphrase, quote, and cite. Doing that work during this phase will pay off in both time and quality of sources as you continue your research.